What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, it's your boy Cruise Ship 72, and today we are back at it with another car review. And guess what we're reviewing today? That's right, the Veloster, baby.
We're doing the Velositer again.
Veloster.
Veloster.
And we did a premium last time. Today we're doing the N.
Is that N for nice?
N is their performance package.
Vroom vroom.
Vroom vroom speed.
Okay then.
Fast and the Furious. Watch out, bro.
Yes, sir.
So you know what? No more talking. I'm done. Let's get right into. Ready?
I'm ready.
It. So let's start off with the actual front of the car, the exterior, go over everything very fast. First thing is, I love this grille. It's that honeycomb grille, which is absolutely gorgeous. Very open mouth, just sucking in all that air. You can actually see the radiator right there. Another cool thing about the Veloster N is the actual red trimming. Whenever you see one with, you see a Veloster with red trimming, it's gonna be an N. And of course, the N badging. That's a $10,000 badge. I'm telling you, it's a beast. So now we come over to these wheels, nice 18-inch wheels. You have a nice gloss package with a nice trim, the chrome trim, which is really nice. These are 225 tires, so they got some nice thick gripping power, so which is pretty good for this small car. Now let's come over here to the body lines. Body lines are no different from the other Velosters, I will say that. But where it does pop out is the red lining. As you can see here, you have the red trim going throughout the car and also going around at the pinstripe going around the car as well. And that's the cool thing about the Veloster is the red pinstripe. If you see that on the car, on a Veloster, it's an N. The spoiler, let's get right into it. Exactly what's the difference? It's a little more aggressive, obviously. It's very similar to the Honda Type R, just a little more aggressive looking, a little more show. So whenever you see it, it's just spoiler on top of spoiler. You got a little carbon fiber-ish trimming here, but it's not real. I'm gonna be real with you, but it looks great.
The carbon fiber is not real?
As we come around the back, it's the same as before, but what's the difference? The N, yes, the N, my people. The N is the most important thing. Then you also got the red trimming, like I said before, and you got that rear diffuser, which is really nice, giving it that nice performance look. Again, very similar to the Honda Type R. It is just looks.
All right, so that was the outside of the Velociter. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. All right. So, just like the other Velociter, it's pretty much the same on the interior, but the main difference is that instead of the red packaging, it has this powder baby blue packaging. And to be honest, I really like it. All right, let's go ahead and start this thing up, see what it sounds like. All right, a little bit of a purr.
Dad, a little popping, a little snap crackle pop.
A little bit of popping. A little popping lock. It's the N mode, baby.
Wow.
N mode, baby. Let me turn this off. Well, I don't want to waste gas. Now, the main difference is that when you do look in your digital dash, as opposed to seeing the random whatevers that you see in your digital dash, because this is focused on sport, driving, speed, fast, you're going to see a whole lot of different things. Going from G-force to your gauges, to your lap timer, just multiple things that are just focused on speed. And you've got this button. I have no idea what this does. It's got a checkered flag on it.
That's track mode.
That is track. Oh, okay, I see you. Y'all want to go fast, huh? Also have the N mode. You push that, and that tells you a whole lot of custom information about your performance timer, your G-force, your turbo, your torque, and your power. Apparently this thing is fast. Now, one of the main differences about this car is actually stick shift. I'm so tired of cars that claim to be fast, or probably are fast, but don't give you the ability to shift gear. This one does, and the shifter looks gorgeous.
Keep in mind, this car only comes in manual.
Only comes in manual.
There is no automatic for it.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Yep.
Figure it out.
It's a driver's car.
It's a driver's car. It definitely is. And I will say, even though it has a bit of a long catch on the clutch, it does shift pretty smooth. Seats, they're really nice. They got the N packaging and all over this car. If your name begins with an N, you are just balling out here, man. Why does my name start with an R?
Oh man. If your name was Nick or Nancy
Or Nathaniel. Nancy.
Nancy. Hey, Nancy's are out there.
Well, okay.
Norbert.
I'll take Norbert. Shoot.
Norbert.
Down. Gosh, down. What does the N stand for?
Nice. Not slow.
I don't think that's it.
I don't know either. In line, I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out. We'll put it in the description.
All right, let's drive this thing. Woo! Dude, this car sounds really nice.
That exhaust is so aggressive sounding.
But the thing pops.
It's got a nice crackle.
I haven't heard like a Hyundai muffler stock that pops.
Love it.
How's the steering feel?
It's a little stiffer than the premium.
Mm-hmm.
Very stiffer. Like I said, it's the drive. Probably because it's a manual, I would assume. But all in all, it's so impressive.
Bro,
So flipping fast.
This thing is fast. It's quick.
Yeah,
It's quick.
Quick. Holy
quick.
cow.
Good night.
Oh my gosh.
This thing is quick.
Oh my gosh. This is so impressive.
You could definitely get a ticket. or two.
Night and day. This is a
fun.
This is a night and day difference between the premium. It's like it's ridiculous.
Oh yeah.
This is a used car.
There's a used car.
Yeah, and I'm wondering is why would somebody trade this in?
Their wife made them do it.
This is an excellent car.
Their wife made them do it. That's the only reason why I can think.
This is so much fun. I am not lying right now. I am not hyping up this car by no means, guys. This really is probably the most fun car I've driven in a long time as far as just a driver's car.
It's a driver's car.
It's so much fun.
It sounds beautiful. I keep saying that, but
I love
it really does.
You really can't put a description on the footnote that this car gives out as far as, exhaust tune goes.
Now,
Freaking
one thing
gorgeous.
I noticed is it does have a bit of a racing suspension. You're gonna feel the bumps in the road.
There is some bumps there, yeah.
You're gonna
for sure.
feel the bumps in the road. But that's how all of them are when they're tuned to race.
I can see that. Here, we're gonna go over some train tracks, and it wasn't that epic, but it's still it's pretty comfortable.
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
Dude, it's so nice. I'm so in love with this car. Oh gosh. Like, if you look at the difference between the last review and this review, you can see the difference on our faces.
Yeah,
it's
definitely.
Night and day how nice this car is. It is just excellent. Oh gosh, I could drive this car for days.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, I will look forward to driving this car around a track. I mean, shoot, even going to work every day, it's so smooth and forgiving. I love the blue accents around the car.
Yeah.
It's just sporty. It sucks that I'm not used to driving manual as much.
Yeah.
So my problem is I'm focusing on the road so much, and I'm trying to be as cautious as possible when I'm driving. But if it was automatic, I could really enjoy the interior a little bit more. But when you do take a glance down, it's so beautiful how that blue trimming pops. We're gonna have to put gas in this car for them. We are on E, but
I don't feel like every single car that's been reviewed ever in the world is always on E.
But what does that mean when it says the mileage left is ...
What do you mean?
It's not giving me a number, it just says dash there.
I have no idea.
That just means we have no miles. Reg, I can't
doubt
push.
it highly.
I can't. I don't have. I'm an heart patient, so you gotta whip out the guns, bro.
Ooh, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh.
I can't push either.
You're just called.
They're fake muscles. They're implants.
AAA. They're implants.
Let's go.
that little pop.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Bro, this thing
It's
really
so
pops.
nice.
This thing
Oh my
really
gosh.
pops.
This thing is great.
What? Stock?
I'm not speeding. That's the scary thing. I am going faster than normal, but it's not like I'm going 200 or 100 miles an hour here. It just feels so quick because it's smaller.
Yeah.
It's just excellent. Oh, I'm having so much fun. I don't want to leave this car.
Well, you got to.
All right, Rich. Your turn, bro.
Let's do this.
Oh my gosh. I'm a little upset, guys, that I have to get out of the driver's seat. I really am. I'm going to be honest with you. Gosh. Dude, if I had the money, this would be the car to get for like a toy. It's not expensive for what it is.
Yeah.
It's a very competitive pricing. 23 grand. Go ahead and get yourself a 250 car little hatchback for this price. You're talking Golfs, you're talking Honda Civics. You know, this is supposed to compete with the Honda Civic Type R.
Really?
It's not by no means is it as fast as the Honda Civic Type R, but as far as budget goes, you know, horsepower for horsepower, it's pretty good. You're talking $6,000 difference in price starting, you know what I mean? So that's a really good deal. I think the Honda Civics are probably in the mid 30s or high 30s, while this one starts off in the high 20s, whatever. So it's a good deal.
All right, let's see what's up.
Oh, those pipes! Holy cow! It's so. Isn't it quick?
What the heck?
It's a quick little thing,
I
man.
wasn't even going that fast.
You're not. That's the thing.
I was going like a little bit above 55.
To be honest, and we're not playing with a lot of features on this thing either, because after all, this isn't our car. We're trying to want to respect the dealership.
Right.
But it's just it's so hard not to enjoy this car.
It is.
I am enjoying this car beyond belief.
I don't have anything to say. It's just fun to drive. I could drive this for the next hour or two.
This is supposed to compete with the Honda Civic Type R, which ranges around the high 30s, if not mid 30s, and it's supposed to compete with it. It's not as fast as the Honda Civic Type R, but at the same time, it's a great bang for your buck. It's $6,000 cheaper as far as MSRP goes. And I'll be honest, if you told me, Michael, you had to have this car over the Civic Type R, I'd be okay with that. I don't know about you, Reg, but I would take it.
I would definitely take it. And the thing is, you can purchase this vehicle here at Jenkins Hyundai of Ocala, Jenkins Hyundai, right? You buy this car, you get a personal high five from somebody in the surrounding area. That could be yours.
You buy it now. I'll give you 2 of those.
2 high five. It's quiet when it's idle, dude.
It is quiet. I feel like I'm in an electric car now.
Quiet.
It's pretty quick, man. The AC, oh my gosh, I'm in love with this car. I think also what helps is this day. It's beautiful. Last time we did the premium,
It was bacon hot.
it was hot, bro.
Jesus
You smelled like bacon. I smelled like eggs.
I didn't smell like bacon. I smelled like
It was eggs up in this. It was like breakfast in this car, bro. It was bad. Very rich. Green light.
Oh shoot. Oh yeah, I thought I was gonna stall.
I was afraid you were going to stall my great install on national YouTube TV.
No sir.
I'm not gonna front. I've stalled a couple times today, guys. But who does it? Who does it?
You ready? I'm gonna downshift.
It's beautiful.
All I did was downshift, and I had to brake because of the clutch. You just hear that muffler just.
It's got a nice crack, man. It's great. One more time.
People over there looking at me like, "What's the heck is this?"
We got people next to us looking at this. I'll be honest, man. I'm any Hyundai that I drive. Hyundai. Any Hyundai I drive from here on out, I'm gonna be depressed because it's not like this car. Now I do know that this car did get a knock because of its plastic interior. Very plasticky. If you think about it.
I don't care about that.
But I agree, and that's what they said also in the reviews. It's who cares? Who cares about the plastic interior when you're getting this much performance? This is what it's all about.
This is what I was about. Does it make me feel like a man? Do I feel like I got hair growing off my chest when I drive this little car? Yes. I don't care about no plastic.
more Red Bulls for you, bro. Well, guys, we're going to wrap up the video here. If you guys enjoyed this one and you enjoyed how we did it and you loved the joking around and us being ourselves, please smash a like, comment below, and subscribe. Hit that post bell notification so you're in the loop with all of our videos whenever they do pop up. If you have a car that you want us to kind of review, let us know about it. If you own a car and you're in the Ocala, Florida area, Gainesville, Central Florida, wherever, and you want to link up and show us your car and everything you have to offer,
let us know.
let us know, man, and reach out to us. All our descriptions and all that stuff, emails and everything is in the description below. Guys, I will see you guys on the next one. Please be blessed, be safe. I'll see you on the next one.
Peace.